Hi everyone, my name is Joanne Smith and welcome back to Joanne's Corner. In today's tutorial, we're going to be making this cute little key fob. These are easy to make and they will make a great gift for Christmas or birthdays or just whatever you want to give them for. So grab your fabric and let's get started. Here are the supplies you're going to need for today's project. First of all, I have a piece of our fabric and it's 3 inches by 11 inches. You'll need a piece of quilt batting or fusible fleece that's 1 inch by 11 inches. You'll need your ruler. We'll need an iron and ironing board. I have clips, and you'll also need a couple pins probably. Scissors, rotary cutter, and you'll need a key ring of some sort. First of all, we're going to take our fabric that is 3 inches by 11 inches, and we're going to press it, fold it in half and press it. Then we're going to open it up. Then we're going to fold each side toward the middle and press those. After we have both of those pressed, then we're going to fold it one more time and press it another time. And yes, that is thunder. Just press that. After we have pressed it, we're going to open it back up and place our fusible fleece or our quilt batting on one side and fold that up, fold this side down, and fold it over again. And we're going to put our key ring about down to the middle, I guess, somewhere in the middle. And we're just going to put 2 clips right in here. Next, what we're going to do, we're going to take our ends and pull down your quilt batting or your fleece. Just open those up. And we're going to put these right sides together, our ends, right sides together. You can pin it or you can clip it and take it to your sewing machine and sew a 1/4 inch seam right down through here. After you have sewed it, just open up your seam and you can finger press this or you can press it with your iron. I'm just going to finger press it. And then you're going to fold this all back together. Bring your batting back around and just fold it all back up again. And then we're going to go around the outer edge and we're going to clip it with our little clips, or if you want to pin it, that's fine. And you may need to go back around it and press it, line up your edges, and just press it all the way around. Be sure that you line these seams up here where you have sewed it. Just clip it or pin it there. After you get it all pressed and clipped, then we can take it to our sewing machine and we're just going to run about a 1/4 inch stitch all the way around it. And you can do it on both sides if you want, one on this side and one on this side. And as you sew, just move your little keychain all the way around as you're sewing. Just keep it moving. I have done a 1/4 inch stitch all the way around. And I actually flipped it wrong side out because I like the looks of this side better than the inside. You can do whatever you want. If you'd rather do an 1/8 inch where it'll be closer and then one on this side, you can. We can put our seam. If you want to put your seam down here where your keychain is, you can do that. Or if you want to have your seam as the place where you sew across right here, you can do that. But that's what we're going to do next. It is absolutely pouring and spilling the rain here, if that's what you're hearing. So we're going to go to our machine and we're going to sew right along this seam here. Just make sure you do not sew into your keychain. And that's how you make a key fob wristlet. This fits on your wrist, really easy. Hold your keys and such. And it's easy to make. If you've liked my video, please like and subscribe to my channel. And we'll see you soon.